There's this girl. She's got these eyes that just, and this hair. Wow, and her smile.
Make me your Aphrodite, oh, make me your one and only. Make me your Aphrodite, oh, make me your one and only. Make me an Aphrodite, oh, make me your one and only. Make me your Aphrodite, oh, make me your one and only.
No, I'm done. B, I need cuddles. I'm so tired. I've had such a long day. B, I need cuddles. Hey, Billy, man, I said I need strudels. I need strudel.
Don't you open up that window, open up that, open.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick, she so thirsty.
I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
I know you're obsessed with me.
There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
B, what do you want to eat? No, B, I'm being serious. What do you want to eat? I'm being dead serious, alright? I'm starving. What do you want to eat? I've been waiting 3 hours for your ass to get ready. And for the whole year that we've been together, you ain't decide once. So get your... Babe. Look. Okay, sorry.
My homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Smoking on the table, liquor pond, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groovy, she just tryna get ahead. Saying I'm with the band.
I just need a chick I can grind with and shine with and spend every dime with and run till it's over. Swear that ass you got behind you got me standing at attention like a soldier. Now tell me what I gotta do to make you mine for a lifetime.
Here we go. Come with me. There's a world out there that we should see. Take my hand.
Don't you open up that window, open up that, open.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick, she so thirsty.
Oh, you that kid from TikTok. Yeah, and I bet your bitch watch.
Tell me what they mad at me for.